While I'm doing music, I don't want to have to stop, and while I'm in the flow of music and in the groove of the music, to want to do some tweaks or a quick remix, I don't want to stop that flow to mess around with cables to see what I'm doing on different displays, other docks and things like that. But it was just messy having to replug and unplug things.
Okay.
A lot more. And also, in the hub, having the BenQ unit is really convenient, being able to switch if I want to use the software version. This is a software version running at the moment on this, for this one, but I can run the software through that, or I can run other stuff if I'm doing more production, I can have my recording on this screen, or just being able to swap things around without having to get at the back of it and try and switch USB HDMIs and